To work. Travailler. Travailler. In the last few lessons, you learned how to say I work, je travaille. You work with the informal you, tu travailles. He works, il travaille. And now we're looking at the question, does he work? Remember, to ask a question, all you have to do is invert the word order of the subject pronoun and the verb form. So the verb form would come first and then the subject pronoun. So does he work is simply travaille-t-il. Now, this T is added in. It has no value in French or in English. It is simply there to separate the two vowel sounds. So instead of saying travaille-il, travaille-il, we say travaille-t-il. We pronounce the T, travaille-t-il. And this simply means, does he work? This is referred to as the euphonic T. And euphonic simply means sounding good. So it's to help the entire question sound good, to keep the two vowel sounds from running together. So again, we have, does he work? Travaille-t-il. Does he work? Travaille-t-il. Travaille-t-il. Does he work? Travaille-t-il. Here, ici, here, ici, here, ici. Put it all together to ask the question, does he work here? Travaille-t-il ici? Does he work here? Travaille-t-il ici? Travaille-t-il ici? Does he work here? Travaille-t-il ici? Does he work here? Travaille-t-il ici? Okay, so let's review. The infinitive to work is travailler. Remember the infinitive. Infinitives are very important. Travailler. Does he work? Travaille-t-il? Remember the E ending goes with the il subject pronoun. This is the E ending for regular ER verbs in the present tense. Here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, too much, trop. To ask the question, does he work here? Travaille-t-il ici? Does he work today? Travaille-t-il aujourd'hui? Does he work tomorrow? Travaille-t-il demain? Does he work a lot? Travaille-t-il beaucoup? Does he work too much? Travaille-t-il trop? Okay, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.